Steps!
Yay!
Squares!
Yay!
Is everyone ready for the annual Steps versus Squares treasure hunt?
Yay!
Whoever brings back the most trophy pieces wins. You can use any tricks and skills you like.
Oh, sounds like fun. Don't mind me. I am 36 and I am a big fan of tricks.
Then stick around and watch. Anything goes in this contest. Including starting before I say go.
Looks like we're one step ahead. Hey! Come on, Squares. After them. There it is. The next trophy piece. I have a perfect 7-step plan.
Step 1. Find a helicopter and fly it over the beach.
Step 2. Lower a rope towards the cage.
Step 3. Tie a gigantic magnet to the hub.
You snooze, you lose. After them!
Step shape detected. All clear.
Look, there it is. How do we grab it without being spotted?
Shame we're not step-shaped.
Oi, 4 on the floor.
Oh dear.
Alert. Non-step shape detected.
Hush, hush. Perfect camouflage.
Step shapes detected. All clear.
Look at this. Squares can make up and down steps.
So we can. Very tricky.
Beep. Oop.
Oh.
Oh.
Got it. Quick before it...